What is the height of Aconcagua? A. 82 EI. Born in 5420. Circa 6960. D. 6 Sajla. The correct answer is circa 6960. How many physical divisions is South America divided into? A. 3. B. 2. C. 4. D. 5. The correct answer is A. 3. What is another name for a map key? A. Glossary. B. Directory. C. Legend. D. Index. The correct answer is C. Legend. What are examples of valuable metals found in metallic minerals? A. Sand, gravel, shale, silt. B. Limestone, gypsum, salt, clay. C. Granite, marble, slate, basalt. D. Iron, manganese, copper, bauxite. The correct answer is D. Iron, manganese, copper, bauxite. What is identified as a main handicap for Indian agriculture regarding movement of goods? A. Lack of skilled labor. B. Lack of cheap and efficient transport. C. Poor irrigation systems. D. High cost of fertilizers. The correct answer is B. Lack of cheap and efficient transport. What is one of the major occupations in Tamil Nadu due to its coastal nature? A. Fishing. B. Rubber plantation. C. Cashew cultivation. D. Coffee cultivation. The correct answer is A. Fishing. What is a group of people sharing similarities in biological traits referred to as? A. Population. B. Tribe. C. Community. D. Race. The correct answer is D. Race. What is an event that can affect living and non-living things on Earth? A. A football player. B. A hazard. C. A game. D. A chapter. The correct answer is B. A hazard. Lines of longitude converge at which points on the Earth? A. International date line. B. Tropics. C. Poles. D. Equator. The correct answer is C. Poles. What event is described as a massive explosion that led to the existence of numerous stars and celestial bodies? A. The stellar expansion. B. The Big Bang. C. The supernova. D. The cosmic collision. The correct answer is B. The Big Bang. During the reign of which Pallav king was Kachi notable? A. Mahendravarman I. B. Rajasimha. C. Nandivarman II. D. Parmsvarvarman I. The correct answer is B. Rajasimha. In which country is the ancient city of Patra located? A. Syria. B. Jordan. C. Egypt. D. Israel. The correct answer is B. Jordan. Which continent are the Rocky Mountains located in? A. South America. B. Africa. C. Asia. D. North America. The correct answer is D. North America. Which city saw the start of the first suburban railway in 1925? A. Chennai. B. New Delhi. C. Kolkata. D. Mumbai. The correct answer is D. Mumbai. What is the ultimate goal of conserving and caring for the earth? A. To establish human dominance over nature. B. To make it a better place to live in. C. To extract more natural resources. D. To reduce the global human population. The correct answer is B. To make it a better place to live in. How does the North Atlantic Drift contribute to the climate of Western Europe? A. It causes hurricanes. B. It brings cold water. C. It creates fog. D. It brings warmth. The correct answer is D. It brings warmth. What is the average depth of the Atlantic Ocean? A. 3,926 meters. B. 1,000 meters. C. 10,911 meters. D. 6,000 meters. The correct answer is A. 3,926 meters. What is the average velocity range of an earthquake's activity? A. 1.0 kilometers per second to 5.3 kilometers per second. B. 10.6 kilometers per second to 15.9 kilometers per second. C. 2.6 kilometers per second to 7.9 kilometers per second. D. 5.3 kilometers per second to 10.6 kilometers per second. The correct answer is D. 5.3 kilometers per second to 10.6 kilometers per second. What is a comet described as being made up of? A. A head and a tail. B. Only a head. C. Only a tail. D. Only gas. The correct answer is A. A head and a tail. What substance did Joseph Priestley discover in the atmosphere in 1774? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Ozone. D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is B. Oxygen. The text identifies main mountain ranges radiating from the Pamir and the A. Armenian Knot. B. Singapore. C. Tibet Plateau. D. Taiwan. The correct answer is A. Armenian Knot. When was the Make in India program launched? A. 2014. Born in 2016. Circa 2010. D. 2012. The correct answer is A. 2014. What are the two main types of disasters? A. Chemical and physical. B. Biological and geological. C. Historical and modern. D. Natural and man-made. The correct answer is D. Natural and man-made. Which countries are among the significant exporters of manganese globally? A. United States and Canada. B. China, Australia, and Brazil. C. Japan and Germany. D. Russia and South Africa. The correct answer is B. China, Australia, and Brazil. What is the approximate rainfall received by Rajasthan? A. Less than 100 centimeters. B. Between 100 centimeters and 200 centimeters. C. More than 200 centimeters. D. Exactly 100 centimeters. The correct answer is A. Less than 100 centimeters. What is an example of an event that can be postponed due to bad weather? A. A public meeting. B. A cricket match. C. A school play. D. A festival. The correct answer is B. A cricket match. What type of metal is gold considered? A. Precious metal. B. Ferrous metal. C. Common metal. D. Base metal. The correct answer is A. Precious metal. What kind of record is described as not allowing further improvement after obtaining photographs? A. Analog. B. Digital. C. Software integrated. D. Satellite. The correct answer is A. Analog. Which rivers deposits form the Brahmaputra plains? A. Godavari. B. Ganga. C. Brahmaputra. D. Yamuna. The correct answer is C. Brahmaputra. Which type of visa is issued to individuals seeking higher education? A. Student visa. B. Medical visa. C. Tourist visa. D. Employment visa. The correct answer is A. Student visa. How did you score?